Hey guys, I am so excited to introduce the SS blanking system and one of the SS blanking die sets with the help of my husband Jeff. Hey Jeff.
Hey everybody.
Okay, so super easy setup. This is the bottom of the system. It will have the blank accumulating hole which will hold up to 40 blanks depending on the gauge thickness. It holds the bottom die. This is the top of the system. It holds the top die and the die stripper. Both top and bottom dies have 2 die alignment pins and also 2 magnets to secure the dies. So this is how you assemble it. Put the bottom die in on roughly a 45-degree angle, like so. I hope y'all can see that. Lay it down. Slightly move it a tad bit until it finds its seating and it will snap right into place. Repeat the same process with the top die like so. Perfect. Place the top half of the system on the bottom half of the system, so the bushings line up with the pins and rest on the springs. Now you're ready to cut some blanks. Okay, here we go, guys. Center. Let's see if I can get my camera in there. Center your SS blanking system. Always center over your ram. Everything you do in a press should be centered over your ram. Load your metal. We are using 20 gauge for this demonstration. Center your metal over the opening of your bottom die. Let me see if I can get you closer in there. The die we are using today is 1 3/4 in diameter. Let's get started. That easy, everyone. So simple. Oh my gosh, look at the blanks. How did they feel? And there's the piercing plate, which you can also use as well. Perfect. The more you use the system, you will get a feel for it. So you will know how much pressure to apply, when to move the metal. Perfect, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.